Okay, it's a Sunday, February 28th, 2016, and this is a Ma Deeters update. Look at here, coming right along. It's of course slightly smaller than the original, but it's packed with memories yet to be made. I tell you, they come a long way since the October 1st fire. What has it been now? October, November, December, January, February, almost 5 months since the fire. And I think they're going to be ready. Look at the windows are in, roof's on, and the spirits are all around it. Yeah, great stuff. Great refurbishing and resurrection of Ma Deeters. Still some work to be done, of course. Lots of work inside. They got the windows and everything enclosed. Oh, there you go. Our latest update. Let's go around the back. Yeah, okay. All right. It's a Sunday. Nobody's working today, so we thought we'd take a quick tour of the inside and check it out. In the back, oh, what's behind the blue curtain? We will never know, at least for a while anyway. Ma Deeters update. February 28th. All right, very quickly go around. It is a warm day today, tell you what. But we're looking forward to the grand opening. All right. Oh, about 5 months ago, nothing but a hole here. And about 5 months ago, and a little longer, Ma Deeters are still here, the old Ma Deeters, but come a long way. Everything's almost ready. Hopefully we'll see a spring opening at Ma Deeters. There you go, everybody. Ma Deeters update. Go out and get a real quick shot of the front. That's beautiful wood, isn't it? That is gorgeous. High ceilings, high ceilings. They're still working on the inside, of course, so we won't spoil the surprise by looking in those windows. All right, so here we go. The beautiful downtown Luzerne. Ma Deeters, out of the ashes. It is being resurrected. Okay, there you go. February 28th, 2016.